Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Tereng tereng tereng. So today we will solve one question, interesting question about grocery. So the dictionary is not only using what the meaning, using name, just only one word. But dictionary's meaning that one sentence, so many sentences. So the question is, think of 5 programming words you learned so far and then use them word as a key in your glossary, in your dictionary, and then print off each word as it and answer what is it and its meaning and use the new line character to insert blank line. So you have an example like 5 programming words you learned so far, this is, and then you write it and make it glossary with me. So you have 5 programming words you learned so far. It is like variable, function, loop, list, and dictionaries, right? Like example, the variable is a name location used to store data in memory. Data in memory, like function, a block of code that performs specific tasks when called, and etc. So how to print each word and its meaning? Use the new line character insert the blank line. Okay. So I think because this is the question is not using loop, maybe maybe we must write one by one line one by one. Okay, and then I wanna add like make word. It is like we make a variable. This the variable's name is variable. No, no, no. I think the name is variable, and then you can print the meaning. F what is using word? Maybe using word is um this is like and then using glossary and using word glossary. Think is it glossary word? Is it true or is it false? The output is false because glossary is not defined. Okay, let's try how to solve this. Is it true if I want add glossary is the word is variable and then there is glossary's word? I think it is not true, but I wanna add. I don't think is it true. No, is it not? Is it not true? I don't think is it. Oh, okay. Let's try. Mhm. Okay. Right. I think I wanna. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is true. If I add this glossary word in, I'm sorry. I just learning um, using this is okay. Okay, but and then you can one by one make word functions and then using the same spring because the variable will changes. If your word is variable and then the word is changed to functions and then the word is change again to what the meaning look, and then because it, yeah, it's not, and then you list, and then the word is at dictionary, but it's like same. Yeah, this is same, and yeah, you can you can expect that the output will be print all of the yeah, this is in the glossary, right? Just add, and then yeah, done. And in the next question we just using look, it's very very easy. Then this so but yeah, we make sure that we add everything in the test code LS. I mean it's status. Okay, okay. Glossary part 2, part 1. Okay, done. Okay, done. Let's try another question in glossary part 2. Bye.